You toss your laundry into the washing machine, expecting clean, fresh-smelling clothes. But instead, you notice a lingering odor or a weird film inside the drum. It's frustrating, right? Most people think washing machines clean themselves. But the truth is, over time, soap residue, dirt, and mold build up, affecting both your clothes and your machine. Today, I'll show you essential cleaning tips to keep your washing machine fresh, odor-free, and running efficiently, without spending a fortune or using harsh chemicals. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because these small habits will save your laundry days and extend the life of your machine. Tip number 1. The hidden problem inside your machine. Most people ignore the hidden nooks and crannies of their washing machine: the detergent drawer, rubber seals, and the drum edges. These areas trap moisture, detergent, and lint, creating a perfect environment for mold and bacteria. That's why your laundry may smell musty even after a full cycle. Understanding where the problem hides is the first step in tackling it. Once you know the hotspots, cleaning becomes strategic, targeted, and effective, not just a random wipe down. Tip number 2. Run a hot cycle with vinegar. One of the easiest and most effective ways to clean your washing machine is to run a hot water cycle with white vinegar. Some manufacturers recommend against this method, so check your owner's manual first. Pour 2 cups of vinegar into the drum and run the hottest setting available. Vinegar breaks down soap scum, kills bacteria, and neutralizes odors. This simple step cleans both the drum and the internal pipes, leaving your machine fresh and ready for laundry. For extra power, add half a cup of baking soda during the rinse cycle to lift any remaining grime and boost freshness. Tip number 3. Clean the detergent drawer and compartments. The detergent drawer is one of the dirtiest parts of your washing machine, yet it's often ignored. Remove the drawer completely and soak it in hot water. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away soap residue and buildup. Don't forget the small crevices. This is where mold loves to hide. After cleaning, rinse thoroughly and dry before reinserting it into the machine. A clean drawer prevents odors and ensures your detergent actually works effectively. Tip number 4. Use washing machine cleaning tablets, occasionally. For an extra deep clean, especially for older machines, consider using washing machine cleaning tablets. These are designed to dissolve buildup inside the drum and pipes that vinegar alone can't reach. Use them once a month or as needed to maintain freshness and efficiency. Combining this with your regular vinegar and baking soda cycles ensures your machine stays spotless year-round. The emotional side of a clean machine. A fresh washing machine isn't just about hygiene, it's about peace of mind. Clean clothes, no strange odors, and a machine that runs smoothly makes laundry less of a chore and more of a satisfying task. There's a subtle joy in opening your machine and seeing a spotless drum, knowing your clothes will come out soft, fresh, and perfectly clean. It's a small but meaningful way to take control of your home and reduce daily stress. A clean machine reflects care, not just for your appliances, but for your family and lifestyle. A quick recap of essential cleaning tips. Run a hot cycle with vinegar and baking soda. Remove and clean the detergent drawer. Wipe down the door seal regularly. Checkmark, clean the filter monthly. Keep the drum and drawer dry between washes. Use cleaning tablets for deep maintenance. Follow these tips, and your washing machine will stay fresh, odor-free, and long-lasting, saving you money, effort, and frustration in the long run. If these tips helped you restore freshness to your washing machine, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical home cleaning hacks. And click the link below to access our new free community, The Big Sweep. Remember, a clean washing machine means clean clothes, a healthier home, and a little more peace in your daily life. Start today and make laundry a fresh, stress-free experience.